Do you want to learn how to analyze data? Do you want to move your data analysis skills to the next level? Do you want to become data magician? Then I welcome you to my new series, Become Data Magician with Ishtiaq. Here we will learn about tools and techniques to play with data and use it in a way that can fulfill our purpose and help us to achieve our goals. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishtiaq Khan and I welcome you to my channel Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we will talk about opportunities and growth. If you are a student, fresh graduate, young professional in the early level of your career, or a mid-level professional, then this channel is for you. So today I am starting a new series on the data analysis, Become Data Magician with Ishtiaq, and in this video we'll talk about one of the most important tools that can help you to play with the data, to have the magic with the data, and to use the data for your purposes in the way you want. And that tool is that will be the first tool that we'll be using, and that we'll be learning to create amazing dashboards for your business, for your company, and for your department, and you want to analyze data in different way. And these tools are really important to use. And the first tool that we will be using is the VLOOKUP tool, that is also called vertical lookup. And you can find the definition of vertical lookup. I will not go further into it, but I will show you that how you can use the VLOOKUP tool to play with the data, to have the magic with the data, and to work smarter in your department, in your organization. Because like most of the times we receive data, huge data, like 1 lakh records, 2 lakh records, to in thousands, in lakhs, we in millions we receive record. And then our boss tells us that this these are the these are the this is the full database, this is the full record of the sales for the whole period, for the whole 1 year. And I want to grab the record to find, I want you to find the records of this amount of customers, these is customers, these is IDs. Now if you sit and just control F and search that, will show you that, your boss want you to find the product 4 records, and then if you and product 4 and product 2 and product 1, and if you go with the search and that on this date, and like control F, and you just type product 1 and find the first product 1, and find this record, and then copy it and paste it in another one. And then you want to find the product 5 and then product 6, and these are the records. But I have this data, and for example, these are the 165 records, and out of 5781 record, I had to find the data of the revenue, the delivery performance, return, and customer satisfaction of these 165 records within in these 5700 plus records. Now if I sit and just copying and pasting and finding through control through search, then it will take a lot of time, and this is called the hard work. But when you want to move smart and you want to just go with it and just find each and everything within 1 minute, within less than 1 minute, then you can use this tool, which is called vertical lookup. Now this tool will help you to find any number of records in any large data and in any small data. Like here there are 165 record, and I want to find the four fields of these records within more than 5700 plus records. Then it's really easy using this VLOOKUP tool. Now how we can use this VLOOKUP tool, just right here, the formula of the VLOOKUP tool. I can also write it directly using the is equal to sign, and VLOOKUP, write the VLOOKUP, then press tab, and which value you want to find, which value you want to look up. Now I can click on date. I can also click on customer acquisition type. I can look on the, but just for my ease I want to look up the aid, that the customer acquisition type customer which has been acquired using the advertisement aid, and on the date of 1st of January 2017, and the state of Florida, and which has bought the product two, and with a price of 199, and he has bought the product 4 units. Then what is the revenue, what is the delivery performance, what is the return, and what is the customer satisfaction of that particular customer that has been acquired using this aid. Then if I want to find this, then I will to find aid, and then I want just like the table array, in which table or in which table array you want to find, you look for uh, the specific cell value, and then I then comma, and then I had to select the table array, and I can select the table array from here, and from the column you must select it from the column from where which you are looking, in which you are looking the value. And now I had selected the column, and I selected the table array in which I want to find that value, then comma, and the column index, like which column index you want to find. Like look at here, and column index means that this customer I want to find that which value you want to find. I want to look for the revenue of the customer that has been acquired using aid, using advertisement, customer acquisition of aid, and I want to find the revenue for it. So just count: one, two, three, four, five, and six. Now I want to find, then I had to write here 6, that I want to put the number 6 here. Now you can find is the true approximate match or false exact match. If you I write one, that it will be approximately if it's matching, then, but I want to find the exact match, then click on the exact match and then press enter, and look at here, it's automatically 796 revenue has been received from the customer that has been acquired, customer acquisition type aid in the state of Florida, in with the product, in with the price, and with the units, and its revenue is 796 on this specific date. Just I can if I want to verify, then I can verify it here. And this is the first customer on this customer acquisition type is 8, that is the state, this is the product, this is the end units, and this is the revenue. Now if I want to click here and I want to directly find the delivery performance, return, and customer satisfaction, then I can click here and I want to drag it till the last field, customer satisfaction type, and it will directly all the values related to this aid in the state Florida with the product 2 and price and revenue, and it will, and you can everything will be pasted here using the VLOOKUP formula, and it's really easy, really easy. And now you can like look at this, its delivery performance is on time, uh, its return is no, and its customer satisfaction is too low. So you can verify it here, and it's exactly everything is being pasted here. You can, so instead of like being smart worker, do not like work hard, because you use the VLOOKUP formula for finding the records of 165 customers within more than 5,700 plus customer plus records. And now you find the revenue, but if you again write the VLOOKUP formula, it's a tedious task. It's a really tiring task. It will make you more difficult. But if you just drag it here, click on this place, and when this plus sign appears, and just drag it to if you want to drag it down, then it will paste the revenues, like look at here, all the revenues are pasted, you can verify it. And if you drag it toward the right side, and it will paste the values of the fields of delivery performance, return, and customer satisfaction. So VLOOKUP is really important tool that are being used. I and like since it's now nearly that I'm 4 years working in a corporate, and I'm using this tool most of the times, and because I have large amount of data and I have to find a small amount of data, 4,500 fields and 4,000 fields, and then I have to find the record of 50 fields, 60 fields. Now just typing and searching and pasting, it will really hard work, but I use this tool every time and I found it really helpful. So this tool is really helpful, and after finding it you can drag it here. Just look at, and you can verify the second record also, returning a Carolina, and look at here, and 2691 on time no and very low, and look at here on time no and very low. So just after just drag it here, and you can also, if you want to drag it for the complete, so that this formula applies to all the 165 records, then you can just delete it here, and this formula is applied here. And if you want that this formula is being applied to all the 165 cells, then you can move the cursor here, and when this black plus sign appear, this is white when you are here, and when it you move it here, then this plus sign appears, the thin one, and you can then double click here, and this formula will be applied to all the 164 or 165 cells. Now you can, and if you paste it toward the like drag it toward the right till the all the fields, and it will be applied, and you then click at here and double click, and it will be applied to, and you drag it here and you want to apply it to all the cells, then it will be applied on just a double click, left mouse double click, and it will be applied to all the cells within these excel sheet, within these to all the records. It will be applied to all the records. So it's really a smart tool and really helpful tool for anyone who want to use. And like I learned this tool when I started working my full-time job in my current organization. But at the same time, I just offer this, that you can become data magician. You can follow this series, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan, and you can follow this series. And here I will be pasting, I will be posting, and I will be sharing with you all the tools and techniques that will help you in the corporate, and that will help you also to improve the skill, data analysis skills, uh, in anywhere you want to, in any organization you are working, then or in anywhere in any field you are working, then it will help you to improve your data analysis skills. So this VLOOKUP tool is really important skills, and it is a smart tool, and you can work really smart, and you can improve your productivity, improve your efficiency, increase your efficiency and effectiveness within your organization and in front of your boss using these tools. So follow this series, become data magician with Ishtiaq, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. Here you will find different videos related to data analysis and tools and techniques that are required to help you become the data magician. So if you want to move your career to the next level, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. Here you can find videos related to career and personal development, and how you can transform yourself to grow and attract next big opportunity that is waiting for you. Also press the bell icon to get notified of the new video shared on this platform. Also share the video with your friends and colleagues, because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.